Hi guys, it's Phil here from Prime Site Developments, and today we're down here at the Rise for our first weekly update video of 2019. So we're hoping that you guys have a good Christmas and New Year. Down here we're very much back in the swing of things on site. The site teams are working away to ensure we hit those all important milestone dates. So in the previous update videos we've talked about how the concrete lands on site and is poured to each level to form the slab. Here behind me you can see the concrete is now landed on site. That's now going to be sent up to the 4th floor through the pump to form the 4th floor slab. Okay, so in terms of progress on site, we're now poured into the 3rd floor on the student wing. As you can see behind me, we're now on the 4th floor, have the metal deck spread, the mesh is in, and the concrete is now being poured. Okay, so in terms of additional trades that are following on after the concrete has been poured at each level, we're now seeing the bricklayers and the scaffolders externally, taking the brickwork and scaffolding up to the elevations. Internally, we're seeing the steelwork now being coated in this white paint. Now this is intermescent paint, this gives the building frame fire protection right the way throughout the building. Okay, so in terms of deliveries, we're also taking delivery now of our pre-formed bathroom pods, which are manufactured over in Hull, transported across the country and delivered on site as a pre-made bathroom unit. They get lifted up, put into each floor, lined, levelled, boxed in, and your bathroom is there ready to go. Okay guys, that's it for this week's update down here at the Rise. As you can see, for the first week back in January, there's a hive of activity and loads going on down here, which is great to see. In terms of the main contractor, CP UK, doing an absolute cracking job down here. So big thanks to Dave Gore and the site teams for keeping the pressure on and ploughing on as they are. So keep up the good work, and we'll be down here to give you further updates, and we'll see you then.